My name is Justin Lanscledera.
My name is Mark Angelo Ranyeses.
My name is Johan Mendilivia.
And my name is John Paul B. Multo.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Angelo Ranyeses from CCG Department. Nais ko nga palang ipakilala ang ating unang kalahok para sa ating i-interviewin. Magpakilala ka.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Chanrico Itodeno from College of Teacher Education.
May isa akong katanungan about sa ating pop culture. How would you define pop culture and what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
I would define pop culture as a set of standards, ideas, and trends that are preferred by the majority. For example, social media, internet, like computers, music, arts, and other popular trends in this new era.
Third question. Have you ever encountered a pop culture artifact that resonated with you personally? How did it relate to your identity or experience?
Personally, I connect with music because music expresses my thoughts, my feelings, and emotions. That's it.
Do you think different generations have distinct perspective on pop culture? How have you observed these generational differences, if any?
I have observed that the other generations, they perceive pop culture as bad influence, and the pop culture corrupt the minds of the teenagers, and they think that it is not necessary to engage in pop culture.
Question, can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
Recently, I am more interested in fashion because I perceive fashion as a form of art, and they become popular because of teenagers today that from like clothes sa thrift store po, dun po, then they become popular po sa thrift store, and the style po, different style and fashion style.
I'm Justin Lanscledera. Today we conduct interview about the Philippine pop culture. And what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
Ang popular culture ay isang parang ito ay parang ito ay isang pagbabago ng mga sa generasyon kung paano ito ay tumaganap.
Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
Tulad ng ML, ang ML ay isang laro na lahat ng na lalaro sa buong mundo, at ito ay nakakalibang dahil sa mga ito ay nakakalibang gamit. Ito ay isang laro para sa lahat, at ito ay pagiging laro lamang.
Do you think different generations have distinct perspectives on pop culture? How have you observed these generational differences, if any?
Nakikita ko sa kanila ang pagbabago ng dating generasyon sa ngayon, gawa ng ito ay may kanya-kanya itong pagkakaiba. Tulad sa ngayon, dati hindi uso ang cellphone. Sa ngayon, uso na ang mga cellphone, at ang mga bata noon hindi mahilig mag-cellphone noon. At ito ay sila ay mahilig maglaro sa labas. Kaysa sa ngayon ay ang mga bata ngayon ay mahilig sa mga cellphone. At bihira na sila lumabas para maglaro.
Can you share a personal experience where you felt a strong connection to a specific pop culture trend or artifact? How did this experience shape your perspective on pop culture?
Tulad na sabi ko kanina, tulad sa ML, ang ML ay nakakalibang, nakakibigay ito ng libang sa isang tao, lalo pag ito ay may dahil ang ML ay nakakalaro at hindi ka mag-iya ng ibang kasama mo para kayo maglaro. At nagkakaroon kayo ng connection para paano nyo laruin ito.
In your interactions with people from different age groups, have you noticed any distinct differences in the way they engage with or perceive pop culture trends? Can you share an example that illustrates this generational shift?
Para sa akin, ang mga age gap ang mga edad ng mga bata sa mga matatanda, hindi mas mga teenagers, may iba-iba silang parang style tulad sa TikTok, yung mga sayaw nila. Para sa mga bata, yung mga sayaw ng mga matatanda para sa kanila baduy, pero sa mga matatanda parang pambagas pa yan para sa kanila.
Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
Tulad ng ML, ang ML ay isang laro na lahat ng nalalaro sa buong mundo. At ito ay nakakalibang dahil sa mga ito ay nakakalibang gamit. Ito ay isang laro para sa lahat at ito ay pagiging laro lamang.
How will you define pop culture and what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
I think ito yung mga practices na ginagawa ng mga tao, especially nakukonsume majority, tapos mga beliefs, something like that. Yun yung pinapalaki.
Number 2, can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? What do you think it became popular?
Siguro yung mga online businesses right now. Kasi nung nagka-pandemic, mas nag-focus yung society more on online. So, naghanap ng ibang ways yung mga tao para makasurvive sila sa mga araw-araw. And syempre, nung nagka-pandemic, so lahat ng establishments sarado, then yung mga employees and employments is talagang nagbabawas sila. So, nag-isip ng ibang ways yung mga people kung paano sila makapag-survive in a day. So, yun na, pumasok na yung mga online businesses, lahat ng mga klaseng negosyo, pinapasok nila.
Number 4, have you ever encountered a pop culture artifact that resonated with your personality? How did it relate to your identity or experience?
Pumasok ako sa ganyang type ng pop culture online business. Nung pandemic, nag-online selling ako. Tapos, and pumasok din ako sa online marketing. Tapos, right now, may inaasikaso din akong food business. And malaking tulong talaga yung online right now kasi maximum yung audience na nandoon sa social media platforms na nandun. For example, ang Facebook, pwede kang makapag-hikayat ng customers, something like that, or mga clients na pwedeng mag-engage sa negosyo meron ka right.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you po.
First question, how to define pop culture? What do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
For me, pop culture is the new trends where the new generations are engaging in. Yan yung mga trends ngayon na sinasalihan or ginagawa ng mga new gen, especially yung mga teenagers and yung mga I'm not stereotyping, but yung mga sinasabi nilang mga cool kids, but not all. And pop culture din yung parang nagsisignify that we are jumping into modernity, something like that.
Second question, can you share an example of recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
I think one of the best example niyan is yung aqua flask, right? Before, ang ginagamit lang natin is simple tumbler lang, and kapag meron ka nun, pwede lang pantawid lang. But now, since dumating si aqua flask, parang lahat na nagkaroon ng interest na mag-avail nun, magkaroon din ng sarili nilang aqua flask dahil aside sa uso nga, meron naman talagang benefit yun, lalo na dahil sobrang init ang panahon. And that's it.
Third question. Do you think different generation have distinct perspectives on pop culture? How have you observed these generational differences, if any?
Yes. Especially yung mga, how do you call them ba? Yung mga boomer? Or, I'm not really sure kung ano yung tawag sa kanila. Basta yung mga, sabihin na lang natin yung mga matatanda. Like, hindi sila masyadong aware sa pop culture and they find that thing parang unusual since ang lagi nilang sinasabi is nung panahon nila wala naman ganyan, nung panahon nila hindi naman yung uso, like nung panahon nila okay na kami sa ganito and like that. But yun lang naman yung nakikita ko na pagkakaiba since tayo nga sa generation natin is very open na tayo and very welcoming tayo sa kung ano man yung mga lumalabas na uso na associated sa popular culture.
How would you define pop culture and what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
I think it can refer to things like art, literature, fashion, dance, film, television, magazine. The most noticeable characteristic is dance because it gives us more stress relief.
Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention?
For my opinion, is K-pop is the recent culture that caught my attention. Maybe the way they give an inspiration in life through dance or music to conquer all the struggles we encounter in life.
In your opinion, does pop culture reflect societal values or does it shape them?
Come on! The pop culture reflects societal values or shape them. It involves argue that pop culture reflects society's interests and values, whereas others believe that it has the power to shape them. Pop culture can influence aspects such as body ideals.
Can you share a personal experience where you felt a strong connection to a specific pop culture trend or artifact? How did this experience shape your perspective on pop culture?
I think yes, I got encountered through music and they give me motivation enough to pursue my dreams and realize what's more important than know nothing to do.